morning. Welcome back to the channel.
Tell everyone what you did last night in the party.
I did the dum-dum.
Yay! Whereabouts? Where did you do dum-dum?
A party.
In the party?
Yeah.
Good morning, people. Today is, what day is it today?
Now,
What day is it today?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. And where is Ate Paris going?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
And I hope I get a bucket filler.
Hey, if you're a good girl, then you'll get a bucket filler.
Not when you go to do dum-dum.
Good morning, Lini. Good morning, Lini.
You don't get a bucket filler when you do a dum-dum or a pee. We don't do that.
I think you will.
Sticker.
You never know.
It's right. If you do a dum-dum or we,
Alam niyo ba guys, very happy ako ngayon kasi ito siya ay
my,
nasasanay nang pumunta sa school. Hindi na
my,
late.
I'm going to tell you something.
Okay. Chika pa more, anak.
When I was a kindergarten, do you want me to tell you a story?
Okay, you tell me a story.
It will be very quick.
Okay, very quick. You gotta be quick because you have to leave.
When I was a kindergarten, playing with my friends, I was at the toilet to do a dum-dum there.
Okay. And what happened?
I didn't get the car started yet because I forgot.
You forgot?
I forgot to get my step in the sticker.
That's alright. That's alright. So guys, yung gagawin namin now is, idadrop namin to siya sa school. And as you can see, pati kami ni Baby CELINE na nakabihis. Kasi si Daddy Mike ay mag-work sa office today. And idadrop din namin siya doon. Ni Baby CELINE. So,
You're cool.
late mag-start si Daddy Mike today, guys. Pero late din siya matatapos.
Yeah?
Yes, I like the
Siya, tita, your outfit. Oh! Wow! Tingnan niyo. What is this now?
Here's a little bit of pencil there.
Pencil?
No. I'm the biggest.
You are the biggest. Lini, come here, Lini. Good morning, Tita B.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, everyone. Morning, Daddy.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good
How are you?
morning.
It's a face. Say good morning.
Bye. No.
Look how
No.
Where are you going? Close, babe. Close, open. No. Close, hang on now. Close, open. Close, open. Tigulong, boto.
I look taller.
Yeah.
You do look tall. Because you've been eating. What did you eat last night?
Fish.
And? Oh, fish. There's no fish last night. Taka.
Oh,
That was the night before. Last night you had
corn
corn and
meat. Meat.
Bungol.
egg.
Egg, bungol.
Meat.
You didn't eat the meat, but you ate the egg.
Meat.
Alis na kami, guys. Kasi, anong oras na ba? See you, Lainey. See you later.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What's this? Bye-bye, everyone. See you later.
When Snow White was dead, they put them in the glass box.
Okay.
And the gnomes were waiting for her to be better, and there's a key. Touched her, and he turned back again.
Oh, really?
So the gnomes.
Oh, good story, my love.
Oh, that's good.
Very good story. Lini! Hey! Shh. Are we going now? You be a good girl for Mama, okay?
Daddy
Okay.
in the car.
Okay. Alis na kami, guys. Magpapagasolina pa kami. Kasi hindi kami nag-drive for a few days. Kaya, ayan. Ate Paris! So, see you later, tita. Tito. I'm here now, guys. Kita niyo ba ang airplane? Nakatapos na namin maglagay ng petrol. Alam niyo ba, sobrang mahal ng petrol ngayon, guys. Grabe. Yan, drop na namin ito eh. Can you tell the teacher to put fresh water? Hi, Fritzy!
Hi, thank you.
Hmm?
Oh.
Come on, baby.
Pinagsuot ko pa to siya ng sweatshirt kasi akala ko maginaw. The sun is up, man. Kiss, mommy, babe. Kiss, mommy.
Who's gonna get you out there?
Hmm?
Daddy?
Daddy will strap you. I love you, sweetheart.
Love you, mommy.
Enjoy. Wait, where are you going? You can go there. Get a bucket filler today. I love you. Wait, where are you going? Paris. Buang. Itong isa dito. Saan na dito umiyak? Hello, my little princess. CELINE. I-move ko yung mirror yata. Oh, kasi hindi ko siya makita info. Ganyan. Kita niyo ba guys ang ating ano? Parang wala lang nangyari no. Sa ating sunroof. Ay. Time check tayo. It's 10:32 in the morning and kakapark ko lang dito. So, dinrap namin si Daddy Mike sa kanyang work. Start kasi niya today is 10:30. Tapos matatapos siya ng late. Around 7 ata. And, so yeah, yung gagawin namin ngayon, ang ating baby girl kasi ay tulog. Kaya, hindi kami makalabas-labas muna. Hihintayin ko muna na magising siya. And then, nandito kami ngayon sa suburb na tinatawag nilang New Farm. Sobrang ganda dito. Very green. Sobrang daming kahoy, guys. As you can see sa background natin, oh. We'll just go for a walk. Dadalhin ko si Baby CELINE sa ano. Kasi last time nung nandito kami, I don't know kung napanood nyo na yung video na yon. Pero may nakita kaming library na malapit dito. So, we'll go to that library. Dadalhin natin ang ating baby girl. Basa-basa tayo ng libro doon. We'll see kung anong pwedeng gawin doon. But at first, punta muna tayo ng op shop. Kasi nandito na tayo eh, diba? Last time, pumunta rin kami ng op shop dito. So, marami tayong gagawin today. Especially kasi meron tayong time kasi kaming dalawa lang ni Baby CELINE sa Ate Paris ay nasa school. So later on, pagkatapos namin dito, pupunta ako ng post office kasi si Baby CELINE ay kukunan ko na ng passport. So Baby CELINE is now 9 months old. And yung tawag dito, magpa-take photo ba? Yung pang passport na photo. Tapos, kukuha ako ng yung papeles na fill upan para makunan ko ng passport ang ating Baby CELINE. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, uuwi kami ng Pinas. And I'm very, very excited. Oh my goodness. Sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakauwi ng Pinas. 2000 and yung last was 2019 January. Kasi umuwi kami ng 2018 December. And then, hanggang January kami doon. So, it's now 2022. So, it's been few years. Super excited na ako makauwi, guys. To see the family. Sobrang miss ko na silang lahat. And, kung naalala nyo, 2020, uuwi sana kami ni Baby Paris. Mind you, wala pa si Baby CELINE noon. Wala pa si Baby CELINE sa eksenang yun. And, we had to cancel it kasi nga sa COVID. Kaya, hindi kami natuloy. And then, alam nyo ba, ewan ko anong date yun. Pero, kasi yung, hindi kasi kinancel guys. O, kinancel nila, pero, hindi sila nag-refund. Yung, ginawa nila sa akin is yung travel fund. So, I'm very happy with the travel fund naman, guys, kasi I know na babiyahe ako ng Pilipinas. So, magagamit ko rin yun. And then, nag-send sila ng email sa akin last month na mag-i-expire na siya. So, kung hindi ko siya gagamitin, ay masasayang yung ating pera. Kaya sabi ko, since next year, yung plano ng sister ko is yung kasal nila next year. So, we'll see how it goes kung ano pa yun, kung tuloy talaga ang kasal nila sa March. But, either way, uuwi kami ng Feb. So, nabook ko na yung ticket for mid-Feb hanggang early March. So, doon na nga mag-birthday sa Ate Paris. Yun yung plano. So, 4th of March yung birthday na Ate Paris natin. So, doon na rin siguro siya mag-birthday. And, after that, babalik na kami dito. Pero, alam niyo ba, guys, yung binook namin na ticket, kami lang dalawa ni Ate Paris. So, wala si Daddy Mike, tsaka si Baby CELINE. The reason being is, originally kasi, kami lang talaga ni Ate Paris yung nasa ticket na yun. Kasi, hindi nga sasama si Daddy Mike nung 2020, di ba? Kasi work and all, may mga commitment siya dito. So, kami lang sana ni Ate Paris. So, that's the first reason. And then, yung binook namin na ticket is parang, inano ko lang, parang kinasya ko lang sa, ang tawag dito, sa kung magkano yung pera namin sa travel fund at yung ngayon. Actually, before, I remembered, I think yung ticket na yan, yung amount na ticket na yan, na dalawa kami na Ate Paris, parang hanggang Cagayan de Oro na yun. Si Melbourne to Cagayan de Oro na yata yun. But alam nyo ba, this time, mas mahal yung ticket. And I understand naman, guys, kasi ang daming taong gustong bumiyahe, di ba? Gustong umuwi ng Pinas kasi parang na-stuck tayo kung saan tayo ngayon. So, I understand yung price increase nila, and also, ngayon kasi nandito kami sa Brisbane, walang Cebu Pacific direct from Brisbane to Manila. So, we have to go through Sydney Airport. So, from Brisbane, sakay kami ng aeroplano to Sydney, and then Sydney to Manila. And alam niyo ba yung ticket na parang pinagkasya ko lang, guys, ha? So, from Sydney to Manila lang yun, kami dalawa ni Ate Paris. Hindi na nga dumating ng Cagayan de Oro, guys. And I had to add $156 ata para doon. Sobrang talaga. Kaya, tapos, another reason is, hindi namin nakasabay si Baby CELINE dun sa ticket na yun is, wala pang passport si Baby CELINE. At kailangan ko na talagang i-book yung ticket kasi masasayang siya, guys. Nakalimutan ko na rin kasi parang hindi na pumasok sa isip ko ba. Masasayang siya kung hindi ko siya gagamitin. Kaya binook ko na kaagad para sa aming dalawa ni Ate Paris. And then, asikasuhin ko na yung passport ni Baby CELINE para makabook sila ni Daddy Mike. So, tawag dito, after namin pa ma-receive yung passport ni Baby CELINE, mag-book agad si Daddy Mike ng ticket. Obviously, guys, the same the same na flight. Kasi alangan namang bumiyahe kami ni Ate Paris, kami dalawa, tapos si Daddy Mike, Baby CELINE. It's not gonna happen. Well, over my dead body, naalis ako na wala si Baby CELINE at saka si Daddy Mike. Well, Daddy Mike, that's fine. Like, he's big enough. Pero, si Baby CELINE, never, guys. Kung kailangan kong i-cancel yung flight again because naubusan, just for example, right? Like, worst case scenario, bago namin ma-receive yung tawag dito, yung passport ni Baby CELINE at naubusan na ng ticket yung flight na yun, what can I do? Like, I'll just have to cancel it, right? Kasi hindi ako alis nang wala si Baby CELINE. But, fingers crossed, I'm hoping and I'm praying. I think it should be fine. Like, soon, hindi naman siguro, i-express ko na lang yung passport ni Baby CELINE pag nag-apply kami para, mabilis. And then, makapag-book sila ng ticket ni Daddy Mike, and then, we'll be, in the same flight. And, alam niyo naman, kapag normally then, kapag check-in ka together, you can, parang sit together or sit next to each other. So, I'm hoping for the best para dyan actually, but we should be alright. We should be fine. I'm super excited, guys. Oh my God. Super, super excited. Makita ko yung family ko ulit. And, see Philippines. Kasi, iba talaga yung feeling kapag nasa Pilipinas ka, diba? And I'm so looking forward to it. Kaya, pakita ko sa inyo yung I think dala-dala ko dito yung passport ni Ate Paris. I think Ate Paris was younger when I got her passport. Check natin. Ayan. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang mukha, guys. Tingnan nyo. That's Ate Paris. Tinignan niya to kagabi. Sabi niya, Mommy, is this me or something? Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, who do you think it is? Sabi niya, ano daw, ang tawag dito? It looks like CELINE a little bit, sabi niya, but I don't think it's CELINE. Sabi ko, then it's you. Super cute ni Ate Paris dyan. 7 months ata siya dito nung nagpicture siya. At alam niyo ba, mag-expire to siya 2nd of October 2023. Tapos, di ba, next year kami babiyahe, so 2023. Buti na lang, kasi October to siya, and then alis kami ng March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So, di ba, kailangan 6 months, valid for 6 months yung passport mo bago ka makapagbiyahe. And just, kaya Ate Paris, just. So, yeah. So happy I didn't have to worry about that. And then, kay Mami ay nandito. Kay Mami ay 2028 pa mag-expire yung sa akin, guys. Kasi, 10 years ang validation ng ano na to. 2018 ko to siya kinuha, so 2028 pa siya mag-expire. Ayan ang aking mukha. Tulog pa man ang ating baby girl. Uy, alam niyo bang gutom ako, guys? Gutom na gutom. Kainin ko na lang itong pagkain by CELINE. Nailagay na sa kanyang pram. Hello, my love. Hello, my love. Wala na, tingnan niyo. Oh my God, alam niyo ba yung singsing ko, guys? Palagi kong naiwawala kasi I lost weight. And then very ano na siya, tingnan niyo. Very kahul ba? Loose. Minsan, buti na lang nakikita ko pa rin. No? Kay sayang naman pag nawala. Baby girl. Are you ready? Are you ready? Do you wanna have some nibbles? Ha? Gumanda yung araw ba, oh? See, we're here. Dito. So, dito kasi is 1 hour parking. Ayan, 1 hour parking from 9 to 4, Monday to Friday. So we'll go to the op shop first. And then after that, we'll come back in the car and we'll go to the library. Yes? See if we can get coffee after that, actually. So, you want this? Yes, next. Mama. Say mama. Mama. Ay, gosh, big girl ni mama, eh. Ay, gosh. Yummy. Nakalimutan natin ang bib na. Just lock the car. Ayan, nakabili na si Mami ng hot chocolate. Doon kami bumili, guys. Oh. Beb and Beard. Hey! Yee! Mommy's having hot chocolate and we'll go. Diyan lang naman, oh. Lakad lang dyan. 2 minutes walk or 1 minute walk lang ata ya. Nak na? Tingnan niyo ang buhok ni baby Celine natin, guys. Oh. It's getting thicker. Lalo na sa harapan. Ito talaga yung kanilang ano talaga. Oh. See? Bear and the Beard roasted by 7 miles. Diba? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Lin Lin. My morena girl. Nak. My morena girl. My morena. My morena girl. Hi, princess. Kakarating lang namin dito sa library. Diyan. Hindi ko nadadalhin yung pram. Anuhin ko na lang to kasi hindi ko alam kung open or what not. Okay. Okay. Alam niyo bang basang-basa na to siya from drinking her water. Tingnan niyo, oh. Siguro uuwi kami mamaya bago kami punta ng post office for taking anak. Come up. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, my. Basa. Here's the library. You excited? We'll see what's in there. Maybe they have toys for you to play. Ito yung ginagawa ko kay Ate Paris before, guys, nung nasa Melbourne pa kami. Kasi meron silang mga rhyme time and all. Reading books, singing nursery rhymes and all. Okay, guys, new farm kids. This Paris takes over the world. Ate Paris, see, they've got lots of books. Come here. Sit down. Tingnan niyo mga, ano, dito guys, so, meron silang mga ganito. Celine, I have a beautiful book. Mama. Lini. Come here. Come here. So I'm reading a book. Have a look. I've got a book. Tignan natin kung papunta siya dito. Shh. Have a look. Ayaw niya. Yung mga libraries kasi guys, meron silang mga events. Yung mga rhyme time, storybook, o storytelling, mga ganun. Pero dito sa Brisbane, you have to book. Sa Melbourne, I didn't have to, book. Maybe nag-change na. Shh! Ay! No biting. Here! Have a look at this book. Look! Yay! What is that? No, Miss Celine. That's nice, isn't it? Whoa! What's that? Gaze for king. Like this, see? What's that? B is for panda. Oopsie. Sushi. M is for mouse. That's mouse. Next. Next one. Oh, touch this one. Touch. It's very soft. Guess what? She found some toys. Excited siya. Oy. Oy. Did you find toys? Huh? First time kaya namin nakapunta ng library dito sa Brisbane. That's nice. That's nice. Meron pa doon, oh. Kaya lang mukhang may mga little pieces. It's not good. Is that your car? Celine? Princess! Say, time check, tita and tito. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Nandito kami sa baba. Kanina pa kami nakauwi pala. And then, nung pagka-uwi namin mga 1:30, nakatulog siya. Hindi na ako nag-vlog. So, ngayon ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Umuwi kami dito talaga kasi need ko siyang bihisan. Tingnan nyo. Ha? Change outfit, anak. Ah? Change outfit? Hmm? Yeah? We're gonna go to the post office now. We're gonna get your photo taken for your passport. Hmm? Hmm? We will. And then, meron akong dalawang ipopost din. So, we'll go before they close. And then, ano pang meron na? Celine is having, I made this one for her. Toast na merong, tawag dito, ricotta cheese. You love this, don't you, anak? Yeah, I just cut it into little pieces. Oop. Yum? Para may makain-kain siya na ano, while we're walking. Yummy? You love it, don't you? Alam niyo ba na sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-vlog? Yeah. So, yung mga napapanood niyo, sobrang late na. Kaya, sobrang sorry talaga, guys. Yes, anak. Wanna talk? Yan. So, hindi ko na-vlog na Celine had her first lamb steak. Nakno? She had her meat, she had her fish. Yeah, she loves her food. Isn't that right, anak? Hindi ko na, ipakita sa inyo, guys. But, yeah, I'm trying my hardest, guys, na to vlog more. Gustong-gusto ko talaga, guys. But, nakukulangan lang talaga ako ng time minsan. And I know you understand me. But, yeah, we will try our hardest, nak, no? No? Vlog pa more. Kasi meron naman akong mga na-stuck na mga vlogs, guys. Kailangan lang talaga siyang i-edit tsaka i-upload. Yun lang talaga yung kailangan gawin. And, buti sana kung meron tayong editor. O, diba? Wala eh. Tayo lang lahat. Kaya, kailangan magsipag talaga. So, after, punta tayo ng after post office, we'll go pick up at Paris. So, lakad-lakad lang kami. Good exercise. Oh, sobrang ganda ng panahon. Lini? Lini? Hi, you love your walk? Bulingit naman sa ito, ano? Nilagyan ko nito, oh. Kasi pag uminom ng tubig, basang-basa dito ba? Ayan, kailangan natin na maganda tayo, nak, for our passport. Huh? Close, open, close, open. Close, wait. Close, open, close, open. Look who's the bucket filler today!
I found these.
Yeah. Di ba kanina guys, sabi niya, nung
Mine.
ano siya, papasok siya dito, sabi niya,
Mine
she'll,
said I wanna
she'll be a
share a
bucket
little
filler
bit.
today? Yes. Have a look at this. Today's bucket fillers. Oh, tignan niyo naman
Here,
yan.
how many I got? I counted.
Yeah?
Count.
it. Lambok ni man ako eh.
Okay, one,
Lini, hala, tignan niyo ang ating
one, two, three,
Hmm?
four. The last one is five.
Oh, which one is the last one? Which one is today? Show me. Let me skate, maybe.
I do this one
Oh,
first.
is it this one? Hang on. Paris is a star for having a big plate of food and eating it all. Oh my goodness. Good job. Well done.
Let's read all of it. This one too.
Okay. Paris is a star for being brave, not crying, following routine.
Why you did one already?
This one. Paris is a star for helping others, being kind, following rules of firm. From Miss Ranga. Paris is a star for trying the pasta for lunch, eating small amount. Oh, see? That's a big difference now. It says here, trying a small amount, and this one is big plate of food and eating it all. My goodness. Trying her lunch, reading, trying follow routine.
I didn't get stamp yet. Sticker.
That's alright. Next
Cause
one.
Miss Maria,
Okay.
Miss Maria got it.
Come on, let's go, Miss Celine. Where's Celine?
Some
Hi.
children
Hi.
lost his
Time check tayo, people. It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. Kakauwi lang namin from picking up Ate Paris, and then after picking up Ate Paris, pumunta kami ng supermarket para bumili ng mga kailangan natin dito sa bahay. Yes, my love. Come this way. This way. Come on. Come on. Play with baby Selena. So, update guys. Hindi kami nakapagpa-picture kay baby Celine kasi late na kami nakarating doon sa like 4:30. Sobrang busy nila. Daming tao sa loob ng post office. And, sabi ni kuya doon na okay lang naman kahit hindi ako mag-book ng appointment. Just make sure na maaga akong pumunta. So, we'll see tomorrow. Meron tayong lakad bukas. So, maybe early in the afternoon. Hindi talaga yung late kasi 5 o'clock silang nagko-close. So, hindi talaga nila na ng time si baby Celine. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. She's like standing up. Natakot ako ba? Tito. Alam nyo ba, sobrang nagmadali kami pa uwi kasi madilim na sa daan galing kami ng grocery. At hindi ko napansin ay na-drop na pala niya yung kanyang dummy. Ewan ko kung meron pa kaming extra dito. Sobrang pang 1 million na yung dummy na yun ba? Nak, no? You always lose your dummy. Nak, see if you can find one dummy for sitting around na. I'll give you a bucket filler if you find one. I give that here. I'm gonna show you what I got for you actually.
I like it.
So ito yung nabili ko kanina sa op shop. Pakita ko sa inyo. Paano to ngayon? Sobrang hirap may batang maliit. Ayaw man magpalagay man siya guys. Pero natatakot ako baka hindi ko siya ma-supervise. Oh, I don't know. Daka naman kang pangitaan ko ng candy. Naka? Ate! Look!
That's so cute.
That is so cute.
That looks too small.
Is that too small? Tingnan nyo. Diba? Size 3 to siya, pero alam mo, maliit ang ating Ate Paris. It's only $2, guys. And then, second one is this. Have a look now.
Aww.
You like this?
That looks a bit small.
It's not small.
What's that? A skirt?
No, it's a top. Beautiful top. This is also $2. And then last one for Ate Paris is this one. Kung maliit man to sa kanya, ay susunod to ni Baby Celine. Have a look na, crumper. So nice.
It looks like a papa dress.
What?
Can I see how old? How many is it? Is that two?
How many? How much?
6.
2.
Brown color too.
Yeah. You happy with that one? Okay, and then the next one is for Mama.
Oh, that's so cute. That looks like a papa too.
Yeah? It's a maxi dress. Maxi or midi dress?
My one,
Na polka dots. Tapos, ano?
my one, I
Mustard.
got wear it. My one, you
Ganda.
will wear it.
Iba yung ano, lighting natin guys eh. Gabi na. Kaya,
And guess what I'm eating?
Anak, ay sa anak. Excuse me, anak. I have... Ay, tika muna guys. Bigyan ko ng snacks tong ating baby Celine para malagay natin sa...
And guess what I'm eating?
Okay.
And
Yep. Lagay natin dito sa lapag. I know. Here you go. Ayan na ang ating baby Celine. Sa baba, may kinakain na. So, ito. I-try ko ba na ano? By the way, wala pang ating Daddy Mike guys kasi alam niyo naman, late start, late finish yan siya. So, mamaya pa yun siya makakauwi. Hala, ganda nito eh. Hala, hag na hag niya ang body ba oh?
May.
Ano ko nga yung shirt ko, be? Tingnan ko lang mabuti.
Okay.
Tingnan nyo, guys. O, diba? Don't mind my bra. O, diba? Hapit na hapit.
Two purple.
Nak, you like it, na?
Yay!
Maganda pa siya pang ano.
My.
Agad sa beach. O, diba? Mag-ano lang.
My when
Yes, I like it.
my when are you gonna wear this?
The beach, maybe. And then, here. Oh, I've got another one for you now. Okay. Oh, may kuklap. Shoes. Sobrang cute. Vans na may strawberries. Try to put it on, anak. See. Hold. Sit down, anak. So you can hold it.
Oh,
Sit down, mama. There you go. Nice, yeah? And then, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Magluluto na ako ng dinner soon, guys. Tapusin ko lang to. So, nagbili ako, pupunta ko na shop kasi nagbili ako ng vinegar. Pinabili ko si Daddy Mike kagabi ng vinegar. Nakalimutan niya. Bumili ako ng atay ng manok. Gusto kong adobo ba, yung atay ng manok. Kahapon, may tuyo ako pero wala akong suka. And, hala. Binili ko from eBay.
Baby.
Amoy ano Amoy. Aparador. Amoy aparador. Hala! Sobrang ganda na guys. Then this last one. Pinick up ko pala to siya kanina nung nandun ako sa post office. Okay. Maaga kami umalis kanina, di ba? So, na-miss namin si Mamang Postman. Ay, kanya na palang inano. Kanyang dineliver doon sa post office. Hindi niya iniwan. So, this is it. Look. So, I got this sweatshirt posted from Melbourne. This is Louis Vuitton, Paris. The sweatshirt, guys. Free love. Ano ko?
I like it.
Oh, you like it na?
Yeah.
Yung nagustuhan ko talaga dito is yung print niya, guys. Kasi super cool ba? Magagamit na rin naman to kasi ano na? Large. Very gentle machine wash. Large pala to siya. For Japan only. Louis Vuitton, Japan. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang print. Diba? Si Kuya. Ang dami niyang LV dyan. Oh. Siya na talaga. So mga ganito guys, mga pang ano po siya, hindi talaga po siya pang araw-araw, pang harabas. Yung may lakad na ano, maganda. Oh, siya, naku! Okay, mami. Okay.
Let me see what flavor. What flavor? Oh, that flavor.
So this is from ano, Melbourne. You like it na? Kasi gumiginaw na ngayon guys. Maginaw na si Brisbane ngayon din. Pero hindi katulad talaga sa Melbourne na ginaw. We have to cook now. We have to cook. Naku kasi pakahirap pa ito siya. Oh, hindi mo palagay. Wala pang dami. Ewan ko. Find dami na ka. See if you can find dami. You said you seen one before.
Where?
I don't know. You're the one who said it. See. Naka? Ikaw dito magpalagay. Oh my goodness. Paano tayo nakakapagluto?